Do you want to hide your online status on Instagram? You can turn off online status in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide your online status on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you're on your profile page. Tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. A new screen will appear. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section and tap on Messages and Story Replies. On the new screen, you will see different options. Tap on Show Activity Status. Now, you will see a toggle next to Show Activity Status. Turn off this toggle switch to hide your online status. Now, others won't be able to see when you're online or last active. When you disable your activity status, you also won't be able to see your friends' online status.